Good morning, good morning, good morning. Happy blessed Saturday, guys. We're in a oval, as you can see. Oval for jogging. It's so a bit windy, guys. A bit, the weather, it's like plus 12. Yes, plus 12 only. Yes. As you can see, people walking around for jogging, walking. Nagbike po tayo kasi iniwan ko ang bike dyan sa tabi. Then a bit walking. Let's go walking. Everyone is walking. Everyone is playing early in the morning, guys. Look at that. Oh boy. This one is the whole day. They're playing the whole day, guys. Until at night. Till midnight. There's some lights over here. Around. Yeah. And there's a Wi-Fi here too. Maybe they start 7 o'clock, this guy, or 8 o'clock. Or maybe 7. Look at that. It's a good exercise. It's a nice view. It's a nice view. Look at this. Look at that. People walking around. This is a big park, guys. This one is just a big park. May away na, guys. May away na. The one who playing there, the ice cream. Oh boy. Exciting, huh? Exciting. Exciting, exciting. People keep walking, running. It's nice. Early in the morning. Windy. Oh boy. My bike is there, guys. Ka-parking. Bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye, bike. Diyan ka lang, ha? Huwag ka nga alis. Pag may kumuha sa'yo, sabi mo, hoy, hindi ikaw amo ko. Hindi ko nilagyan ng lock kasi it's okay. Ilang ikot to, guys? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ikot, guys. Pag maikot mo ng, let's say, at least 7. That's very good. It's a good job. Yeah. Diba, guys? Nung kalakasan ko, guys, kulang pa nga ito eh. Nung nagraran ako na ni-stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8 around. Hanggang doon. Kulang pa yung niraran ko. Yeah, guys. Before ako nagkasakit, kaya ko yun. Yung ngayon siguro, I don't know. I don't try it. It's my first time to come here. The oval. Maybe one day, I'm gonna run. But for now, walk muna. Walk muna. Kasi nagwo-workout pa. Kasi nga nagkasakit nga ako. So, ang body ko keep there's a changes. Opo. So, nagpapawarm. Nagpapalakas. After a year, I got sick. Then, yeah. Almost there. Keep working out. Keep working out every day. Yeah, we're gonna build the muscle again, guys. We're gonna build muscle again and again. Thank you, Lord, for the good health. Importante, guys, ang health natin. Importante talaga. That's the best gift from God. Ating health. Kahit meron tayong lahat-lahat, but the health is not good, then wala talaga. Nothing we can do, guys. So ingat po sa lahat. Thank you for watching. I think that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching. Love you all. Bye bye for now. Maingay na. Nag-aaway na. Dalawang Pilipino yan. Dalawang Pilipino. Bye-bye po. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Love you all. God bless us all. Bye.